Hi, it's the old person back again, and today we've got Thunderstruck by Steve, if you like, Seagulls. Stephen Seagulls. Yeah, they're from Finland. They're a I don't know. Well, they look like hillbilly types, but I don't know. There's obviously a reason for it. But anyway, they do a cover with various different instruments. So, without further ado, I need to put the light on, which might help. Not that you really want to see me, but yeah. Oh no, the bridge is going again. Right. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what these are like.
In the middle of a railroad track, looked around and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went to the Texas, yeah Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck, thunderstruck, thunderstruck. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please?
can you say about that? Apart from absolutely flipping brilliant. I mean, using obviously different instruments, but an anvil as well. I mean, and a spanner. But it just goes to prove a point, doesn't it? That you can make music out of anything. I mean, they did a fantastic job of that, without a doubt. Absolutely fantastic job. They're obviously good musicians. I mean, the old double bass there. I mean, he obviously been playing that a while, because you can see where the back of the neck's, all the varnish is worn off and everything. And you could hear everything. It was all set out nice. I mean, I don't know if they were actually doing that live then. There, I don't know. It looks like they were doing it live. So, and obviously then did it in recording studio, whatever set it up. But I'll put it down as live. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. I mean, okay, they turned up, look like a bunch of hillbillies, and then there they are doing a classic rock tune with an accordion, banjo. He's using the spoons and the drum kit, old double bass, and I'll try to think something that looks like a mandolin or something that the other guy's got. But and the vocals were fine, and they put their own little bit in the middle, if you like, which is great. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, you know, we're used to hearing it all done with obviously guitars and everything, and all the rest of it. You know, let's put a load of distortion on. But it just goes to prove what you can do with the song. Somebody gets the song, puts it right, does that with it, which is fantastic. I can't fault them for it. It's absolutely brilliant what they've done. You know, I mean, I think I know that they've done a few over a period of time. I'll have to go and check some. I'll have to go and check some more out, because that's what I need to do. I need to check more out again, because I do want to do another. I've got some more. I've only done one of, and I've got some more to do. But yeah, that was brilliant. That was absolutely brilliant. I really love that. Well, what more can you say apart from, you know, the whatever they are? I know the Finnish. They've come out. I mean, what is it, 5 of them, isn't they? And they obviously play all these different instruments and make a damn good job of it. You know, it's what it's all about, really, isn't it? You know, having fun, enjoying yourself, making music, and everything else, and then coming out with, like, if you like, a different version of it, which is brilliant. I can't fault it. I really can't. It's brilliant. I'm gonna have to check some more out there. So I don't know what else they've done, but we'll find out. And so, somebody recommended it. I'm sorry about that. I forgot who it was. Oh, I didn't write it down again. But the thing is, they recommend it, but I already knew of them. I did already know of them. But not that I've checked them out. I just knew of them, and that was it. But anyway, everybody, thank you very much for all your support, comments, and everything else. I'm having a brilliant time with this. It's great. Stop rocking the bridge. Yep. And but yeah, I'm having a fantastic time doing all this. Anyway, thank you very much, and please, I really mean that, please stay safe, and I'll be back.